Let's get crafty for Ramadan 2025. Hey everyone, are you ready to get creative? Today we're making the cutest DIY paper Aqsa mosque, perfect for celebrating Ramadan 2025. It's fun, simple, and will leave you with a beautiful decoration to brighten your space this season. Let's dive right in. What you'll need. Before we start, here's what you'll need for this project. Thin paper for sketching, a ruler, washi tape, blue paint and a brush, scissors and a cutter, gold-colored paper, liquid glue, cardboard, and decorative paper, gold paint for a finishing touch. Got everything ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Sketch the mosque outline. Place your thin paper on top of your main sheet. Using a ruler, start sketching the outline of your mosque. Think domes, arches, and minarets. Let your creativity guide you. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just get those shapes down. Step 2. Add tape for clean lines. Once your sketch is ready, grab some washi tape. Place it along the edges of your mosque outline on the original paper. This will help keep your paint lines sharp and clean. Step 3. Paint the base of the mosque. Now it's time to paint. Use a brush and blue paint to fill in the base of the mosque. Drag straight lines upward to create the structure of the walls. Be sure to cover the sketched outlines for a clean, finished look. Step 4. Remove tape and add detail cuts. Peel off the washi tape to reveal those crisp, clean lines. Then, using scissors, cut small triangles along the bottom of the mosque. It adds a decorative touch. Step 5. Cut out and shape the mosque. Now, cut carefully around the entire outline of your mosque. As you cut, start folding along the lines to form a cylinder shape. This will help give your mosque a 3D effect. Step 6. Sketch and cut the golden dome. Time for the dome. Tape your dome sketch onto a sheet of gold paper. Using scissors and a cutter, cut out the dome and its base carefully. Make sure the edges are clean and sharp. Step 7. Add dome details and fold. With your gold paper cut out, use a ruler to sketch small square patterns on the dome to mimic the real structure. Fold along these lines to add dimension and make it resemble an actual mosque dome. Step 8. Glue the dome together. Apply liquid glue to secure the sides and top of the dome. Hold it together for a few moments to ensure it sticks well and keeps its shape. Step 9. Attach the dome to the mosque base. Now, attach the golden dome to the top of your paper mosque. Make sure it's centered and firmly glued in place. It should sit snugly on the cylindrical base. Step 10. Prepare the display base. Grab your cardboard and cover it with decorative paper. Add some gold paint around the edges for that extra aesthetic touch. This will serve as the base for your mosque display. Step 11. Final assembly. Glue your mosque securely onto the decorated base. Double-check that everything is firmly attached and standing upright. Final reveal, your DIY Aqsa mosque is complete. And there you have it, your own handmade paper Aqsa mosque. It took a little focus and creativity, but the result is absolutely worth it. If you enjoyed this DIY, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun and creative projects. I'd love to see your creations, so share them in the comments below. Until next time, happy crafting and Ramadan Mubarak.